Most of us are just stumbling around a dark kitchen in the morning, desperately searching for a caffeine source that doesn't taste like burnt rubber. You look at your counter and see the clutter. There is a grinder, a pod machine, and a standard drip pot taking up all your precious space. It is a total mess. This is where a truly versatile machine steps in to save your sanity. We are looking at a system that handles whole beans, pre-ground coffee, and even those convenient single-serve pods all in one sleek frame. It is basically the Swiss Army knife of your morning routine. You get about 1,000 watts of heating power under the hood. This ensures the water hits that golden range, usually between 185 and 195 degrees. That is the absolute sweet spot for extraction. It does not just scald the beans. It actually brings out the natural oils and the deeper flavor. The digital touchscreen is a nice touch too. It feels modern and responsive. You can jump between a 6-ounce shot for a quick jolt or a massive 14-ounce cup for a long commute. The reservoir holds 50 ounces of water. That means you are not constantly running back to the sink every single time you want a refill. One of the coolest parts is the memory function. You find your perfect settings, you save them, and then you never have to think about it again. It is like having a personal assistant who knows exactly how you take your morning brew. Now, we have to talk about the grinder. It uses a blade system. Coffee purists might groan at that. A blade system is basically like a tiny lawnmower for your beans. It is not as precise as a professional burr mill, but let's be real here. Most of us just want a fresh cup without a 10-step process. You get 5 different grind time settings to play with. This lets you tweak the strength and the body of the coffee to your liking. The speed is actually impressive. Once the water is up to temperature, you are looking at a 20-second brew cycle. That is incredibly fast for something that is grinding the beans on the fly. Of course, there are always some trade-offs when you pack this much tech into one box. Some users have mentioned that the flavor can vary a little bit from day to day. It is a convenience machine first and foremost. It is not trying to win a World Barista Championship. It is trying to get you out the door with a hot cup of coffee that actually tastes like it came from a fresh bean. For a small office or a compact kitchen, it makes a ton of sense. You get the flexibility to use whatever coffee you have on hand. If you ran out of pods, just throw in some beans. If you are in a massive rush, use a pod. It adapts to your life instead of making you adapt to the machine. It is a solid middle ground for the everyday drinker. It simplifies the chaos. It clears the counter. It just works. You do not need to be a chemist to get a decent cup. The interface is intuitive enough for a half-asleep person to navigate. The black finish looks sharp on a modern counter. It does not feel cheap or flimsy. It is built for the daily grind. Literally, if you value your time and your counter space, this kind of all-in-one setup is hard to beat. It handles the heavy lifting so you can just focus on waking up. It is about making that first hour of the day a little less stressful. And honestly, that is worth its weight in gold when the alarm goes off